Gurudev, how to lead a team when you have no incentive to offer and no authority to punish?
Oh yes. Here only it needs your skill. If there is an incentive, your skill is no use. Money speaks. When there is no authority and you cannot give any incentive, at that time, if you can lead a team, I tell you, you are a leader. That is because you could inspire people. That is because you are wise. You know, you see all great men. Mahatma Gandhi had no incentives to give to people, but he could motivate people to do some work. We here in Art of Living, look at the motivation here, the inspiration here. We're not giving, okay, you will get these incentives. If you do this, you will get that. No. You know, for the first 10 years, we had not printed anything in Art of Living. No pamphlets, no leaflets, no nothing. For the first 10 years, I told you. Our first pamphlet came sometime, I think, in 92. From 81 to 92. Word of mouth. And everyone wanted to share what they experienced with others. So it's only through wisdom you can bring that transformation, teamwork, sportive spirit. Maybe you can also draw some inspiration from the labor union leaders. There, I think, they invoke anger in people, frustration in people. If anger, frustration, and greed can be invoked to make people work in team, you think joy, happiness, compassion, commitment are all so weak that they cannot inspire people to, the positive qualities cannot inspire people to motivate them to work? What do you say? Cannot the positive qualities unite people and push them to do something great? It is. It is possible. It is possible, I tell you. See, yesterday I was in Tamil Nadu, traveling through many villages. 300 villages, you know. The women folks and everybody, more than 3,000 check dams, bore well, the water, you know, retention wells, and all they have done it the last few months. Women folks. I was giving away the Momentum awards to some ladies are, you know, above 60, 70, and they were also inspired to work. I said, did these people work? They said, yes. And the collector, district collector was amazed. He thought, I never would imagine that all these people could gather together to do such a wonderful work. And many NGOs are doing such work in the country. Many NGOs are doing throughout the country. In Maharashtra, we have made a forum of NGOs. About 1,500 NGOs have joined together to implement all the Millennium Goals, the United Nations Millennium Goals, 20-point program. And they have brought more success than the government machinery. Because it is not through authority, it's not through money, it is through inspiration. The same can happen even in the government machinery. I think no setup, either private or public or government, is outside the purview of inspiration. You can inspire even in these setups.